Hello kids, welcome to the class. So today we are going to learn the topic how to find the equivalent fraction to the given pair. Okay, so here you are given two fractions. Let's say I'll take the first one 2 upon 3 and the another fraction over here is 1 upon 4. Okay, so these are the two fractions given to you. Now you have to find the equivalent fraction for this both the fractions. So what you are supposed to do? Here what you are going to do is you are going to check the denominator. Okay, and you are going to multiply the fraction with the number present in the denominator of other fraction. Means what? First I'll take first fraction, let's say 2 upon 3. Okay, now who is there in the denominator of the other fraction? 4, correct? So what I'm going to do is I'm going to multiply both numerator and denominator by 4. Multiply it. 2 times 4 gives you 8 and 3 times 4 gives you 12. Now what you're going to do is you're going to take the other fraction, which is 1 upon 4. Now what you're going to do, you're going to multiply this fraction with the number present in the denominator of the other fraction. So who is it? It is 3. So I'll multiply both numerator and denominator by 3. Now multiply. 1 times 3 is 3 and 4 times 3 is 12. So what are the two equivalent fraction for the pair 2 upon 3 and 1 upon 4? It is 8 upon 12 and 3 upon 12. I'll take one more example over here, which is 5 upon 2 and 3 upon 7. First step over here is first take the first fraction. What it is? 5 upon 2. What am I going to do? I am going to check the denominator of the second fraction. Who is it? 7. So I'll multiply both numerator and denominator by 7. Now multiply. 5 times 7 gives you 35 and 2 times 7 gives you 40. Got one equivalent fraction. Now take the another fraction, 3 upon 7. Now what am I going to do? I'm going to check the denominator of the second fraction. Who it is? 2. So now multiply both numerator and denominator by 2. And when I will multiply, I'll get answer as 3 times 2 gives me 6 and 7 times 2 gives me 14 again. So the equivalent fraction for the given pair 5 upon 2 and 3 upon 7 will be 35 upon 14 and 6 upon 14. So I hope you have understood. If yes, then do subscribe to my channel. Meet you in the next class. Till then, take care. Bye-bye.